Poor duck's never been the same since the raccoon got his buddy. Those chickens took him in though. Part of their flock. Hot tub. You want to go play with them, don't you?